Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn designing and editing a double animated introduction video absolutely free without any copyright issues nor any watermark. Animated introduction adds value to your presentations and your YouTube videos. So let's see how we get all the free templates and music files, video files all available in one particular app. I'll tell you what is the app. This is the app called Mixkit app, which is absolutely a delight for the editors. Once you open the Mixkit app, you can see the videos, music, sound effects. There are n number of photos which you can easily and freely download. There are subcategories that you can see. According to your necessity, you can download any one. If you scroll down, you can see the nature related videos, background videos that are present. You can select any subcategories. For example, the nature subcategory, if you select, there are n number of nature subcategories. For example, if we click on fire, I'll show you how many fire related, smoke related video templates are there. You just can scroll down and see the presence of these many free fire stock related videos. So you can just click on any one of it and just start editing. While editing, one should keep in mind that whenever you are editing a free template, the originality should not reflect in the way it has been presented. You should definitely make sure that you are adding some creations and your own creativity. Once we are ready with the template, we can also select the music, any audio file you can select, and there are no issues of giving credits or using it for your commercial process. You can easily use it for any commercial purposes or projects. You just have to go to the download section and just download the audio file and use it in your any multi-purpose commercial projects as well. This is Canva and we are going to do editing and designing of the intro in Canva. Canva is one of the best user-friendly editing and designing app. There are many types of templates already present in it. You can just start doing editing and designing very easily here. You just have to go to the search bar and type video here. Once you type video and click on it, you will get n number of predefined Canva templates. You can use the predefined Canva templates as your wish. They are free as well as paid templates. You can use any one of it, or you can start from the scratch and design your own template using a create a new template. You can just click on it. Here you go, you get a blank space here. You just start creating it. There are also predefined templates as you can see on the left, but if you want to do your own designing, you just have to go to the upload section, click on it. Once you click on to the upload section, there are three sections: images, videos and audio. We now have to click on the video section. As we click on the video section, we can see so many video templates that we have already downloaded from the Mixkit app. Now we'll click on one of it. For example, we'll click on the black one. It will just pop up on the blank space. The next step that we have to do is just stretch it so that the blank space gets filled up. That's the beauty of Canva. We can easily do whatever we like to do, even if it is an animated video. Once this process is done, we'll go to the upload section, we'll click on it, and then we can go to the images where you can place or upload any text or image. I'll select one of the logo that I have already made it. I'll make sure that it is properly positioned. First, we can also change the shape of it. If you're not liking the square one, you can go to the element section, choose one of the frames here that are available. For example, if we click on the circular one, it just pops up on the screen. We can change the size of it. We can make sure that it is properly positioned. In Canva, you can properly position any shape, any logo, any text in the way you want. Just move and see which position is properly fitting. Now hover the logo over the frame and that's it. It is properly fitted here. Now you can see the position which is according to your wish and according to your necessity. The way it has been positioned is good now, but the problem is the two screens are looking similar. You can go to the upload section again and choose one more video template. For example, I'll select this particular orange animated video template. Make sure that it is a little bit smaller than the original one. You can also fit it in a proper shape. If you're not liking this, go to the element section again, choose this proper square shaped frame, and then move this particular second animated frame over it so that it properly fits into it. So this is the way it is looking a little more professional. Stretch it and then make sure that the logo is visible. Now you have to click on the right of this particular animated template, send it backward. Here you go, the logo is visible now. So this is the way you are making two animated template. We can change the animation time. You can go to the scissors mark here and click on it. You can change whichever animation time you need. This is the way you can go for it, and then also go for animate. Here you can select any animated templates that the Canva is already providing. For example, block, fade, pan, rise, anything, any one according to your necessity and which looks good. Once the video is done, go to the upload section and then go to the audio section. Once you have selected the audio, you will find all the audio files that you have already selected from the Mixkit app. Just select any one of it and click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear on the intro like this. Once you click over it, you will find the music that you have selected. So that's it, you have added the music. Now go to the preview section and click on it and see if the things have shaped up properly. Once you have clicked on the preview section, you can see the final intro and then close it and do the required changes. So this is the way you do all the intro and the double intro process. Now we have to go to the final step, that is the share one. You have to go to the share and then click on it and then download it into your device. So this is the download arrow. You just have to click on it and the download will start. So this is the way the whole double animated intro will look like. Hope you like this video and it's useful for your future video projects. We'll definitely meet in the next video.